Good evening and welcome to Gustav Making Stuff, where today we are going to do a little bit of film stuff. Due to I saw a very valid question on how to make a easy effect on how to a ricocheting bullet from an object without doing VFX. So now there is two ingredients. There is Turkish pepper and there is a slingshot, and there is the evil cement mixer that has rised up to take over the earth. So we need to shoot it. So you take the slingshot and you take the Turkish pepper. That was a hit. Let's try it again. Turkish pepper. The reason why they act like they do, except for that they taste absolutely amazing, which I will not eat right now. You see, they are black, and on the inside they have this. If we open one up here, you see they have a hole inside them filled with powder that will spurt out like they do. This is like they do in the Hollywood movies, except they have a two-part thing, and then they have a thing that makes sparks, and then it ignites gunpowder, and that makes the interesting sparking happening. But that costs money, and this is about $2, and a slingshot for like $5. So it's a very cheap and affordable thing. It might also work if you throw really hard, but that's a way. So now let's put some this together with some little bit of effects on it to make it even look even better. So this is one of many ways you might possibly be able to do this. Maybe other candies will work, but I do want to stress that don't shoot on glass on anything that will break, because the slingshot will fire this quite fast and you can actually destroy stuff with it. I have experienced that in one of my other movies. But that's a very interesting little trick that might not many people know about. So see you in the next one.